Yo, what's up, y'all? All right, what I have: brake, Nissan. Um, Trying to hold it like this so that fluid don't leak out. But as you see, I got nothing. I gotta let this brake fluid out. But the thing is, I want to try to bring this back. Also, I've never broke one of these down, but I figured why not? No time like the present to try to fix one, you know? Cause messing with these old bikes, you're gonna run into it again. Let me dump this out real quick. Okay, as you can see, the rubber and everything is good. Um, not not quite sure what this is gonna entail, but I figure pretty much learn as we go. Trying to wipe some of this out because no matter what, even later on, I'm gonna have to clean that out of there. Okay, let's take some more off. Trying to take that switch off right now. I'm really mostly taking some of this stuff off so that I don't break it when it's time, you know? Sometimes I get impatient, you know? And I break getting stuff. That wasn't tight. What is this? A little clip. So what I'm doing, I'm just taking this part here. Yeah, this is tight. Yeah, that's tight. Yeah, that's gonna be a problem right there. Okay, so that didn't want to come out, but I'm gonna have to make it come out. All right, y'all, hold 1 second. Okay, y'all, we back. Let me get my light on here. Some light. Make it a little bit better. Okay. We were trying. For one thing is, why this thing get tighter? When it should, the nut got tight, it should went the other way. Yeah, that seems like that's tight in it, but that should be loosening, I would think. That would definitely make it hard.
Okay, that's you. I thought I heard the door open up.
feel like it's stuck right here. Yeah, I feel like it's stuck right there. Like it moved. Hopefully it moved. It's a lot better. Ain't perfect, but it's a whole lot better. Stick it on that bottom one. For some reason, I do not know. Tap it down again. Yep, I don't know why that's sticking at the bottom. But I don't want to tap it out and, you know, mess up the screws, the threads on it. That'd be really a problem then. I don't think I have one. Definitely don't think I have one. Definitely don't. I've not broken any of these down, but I've never seen that before. You know, because I've changed a ton of handles. So I've never seen that one. That's a new one to me now. Spray a little bit in here because seems to be snug and tug. Don't know why, but it is. I'm kind of looking like I'm going to be having to tap this joker out of here. Kind of seeing where it's looking like it's going. So I can tap it down. Because it just won't come out. This is pretty strange to me. You know? Huh. I kind of figured something like that would happen. Aluminum broke on me. Kind of got an idea now that the sheeting was stuck. I want to try to fix this. I want to look at this stuff while I've got it here. Should grab my needle nose. I'm looking for the simple fact that I can't fix this one, but I can probably fix another one, you know? Plus I want to see what I got. Okay, rubber boot. It looks like a... What we got here? Y'all can see that we got a clamp inside of there. See if we can get that out real quick. Yep, that's a tough one too. It's a tough nut to crack. Thinking this should have been maybe put in that vise. Yeah, just trying to see this sucker. It's tough. Okay, so that was locked in there too. Okay, let's take this off. Take this off. Let's see what we can do. Put this together. Okay, put that over there. Yeah. Also, what it needs to get in there probably too. It's rusty on the inside though. But I have. Okay, these are. You can see it broke right there. And that was from. Right there. That was from here. That brass ring got stuck off in there. Okay. So. What I'm going to try to do next is this. That's basically garbage, so let's set that right there. This. Another Nissan. But I'm thinking maybe this one is locked up also. But I'm thinking I'm gonna spray it and let it sit. I gotta spray this one. I'm gonna try taking the handle off again. Adjustable. I'm gonna try taking the handle off again. Right here. And then I'm gonna spray on the inside. Try to soften everything up. And that's why I'll bring you back after I get all that did. Alright, so just finished this piece, man. I'm hoping y'all can see this. Let me get y'all towards the light. I want y'all to see what I got. Oh, excuse me. Okay. Got this piece. I just started cleaning it with my wire brush. Gasket, spring. That's the plunger. I got it out. This other one. I still got to clean the inside the cylinder though. And once I do that, I can find out if she gonna work. Which I sure hope she do. Because if she do work, then I ain't gotta basically just give my boy one, you know. I'll give him one of mine if it don't come back. This joker was full of like a white powder though, which I don't know what it was. As you can see here, I'm still kind of getting a little bit more. I'm still go back over this some more. You see that white powder. Alright, y'all, got more cleaning to do. Alright, so I gotta try to get the I got everything back in here. Pretty much. Well, not pretty much. Gotta try to get the clip back in it. Which I'm thinking gonna be a bit of a job. Wonder. This is gonna be a bit of a job here. Trying to get it back. It's gonna be a job because mine only go out. They don't go in, which messes me up. You know? Let me try something. Did I get lucky on the first try? I might have got lucky on the first try, y'all. Ah, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. Check this out. Got on the first try. You see it in there? And let me see if I can push the piston up and down for you. Let me see. Yep. What do y'all say to that? What do y'all say to that? Yeah, baby. All right. I gotta get the rubber gasket over the top of here, which is like a dust shield, and then we through. We can put the handle back on it, 'cause it's through. So guess what, y'all? Y'all already know my deal. I'm calling this a good done deal, baby. All right. That's how you repair it. Basically, just that clip. If you get that clip out of there, and what I had to do, yeah, I didn't have my pliers because they mine for opening a snap ring, so I just took 2 picks and put them together and squeezed it. That's how I was able to get it out. But you could always go to Harbor Freight too. All right, y'all. Thank y'all. Don't forget to like and subscribe.